Assalamu alaikum once again. Here in this module we will discuss the mechanisms which help the some of the mechanisms which help the formation of the high pressure and low pressure area, and this high pressure and low pressure area attract the our monsoon wind. Okay, the first mechanism is the differential heating and cooling of the land and water. Differential heating and cooling of land and water. I think we learned this mechanism in the earlier classes while we are learning about the sea breeze and land breeze. When the land become more hot, the time sea is very cool. Then what happened? To the low pressure land from the high pressure sea, wind moves. And when the land became cool and the sea become hot, and what happens? From the land, the air moves to the low pressure sea. That is the that is the land breeze, and the air from the sea to the land, that is the sea breeze. Okay, so this differential heating and cooling of the land and the sea is one of the mechanisms which attract the monsoon, and also this is one of the reasons for the formation of the high pressure and low pressure. Okay, what is the next mechanism? That is the shifting of intertropical convergence zone. Shifting of the intertropical convergence zone over the Ganga plain in summer. What is the intertropical convergence zone? That is a low pressure area. This low pressure area will be shifted over the Ganga plain during the summer season. Then what happens? This Ganga plain will turn into a low pressure area, and hence this low pressure area will be attracted by the high pressure. Okay, so the reason for this shifting of this intertropical convergence zone over the Ganga plain is the apparent movement of the sun. The apparent movement of the sun is the reason for the shifting of this intertropical convergence zone over the Ganga plain in the summer season. Okay, and the next mechanism is the presence of the high pressure area east of the Madagascar. The presence of the high pressure area east of the Madagascar, which is in the Indian Ocean. So the high pressure, the presence of the high pressure or the formation of the high pressure, the east of the Madagascar, which is in Indian Ocean. That is another reason. This presence of the high pressure in the Indian Ocean is actually influencing or the leading the way of monsoon. Okay, the fourth mechanism is the intense heating of the Tibetan plateau during the summer. The intense means the heating, high degree of heating of the Tibetan plateau, especially in the summer, is another reason for this attraction of the monsoon, because the intense heating of this Tibetan plateau, what happens? The area of the Tibetan plateau will turn into a low pressure, and the Tibet is after the India. Then what happens? Tibet is now turned into a low pressure. This Tibet low pressure area will attract the high pressure. So this high pressure, the air from this high pressure zone will move to Tibetan low pressure area over India, because Tibet is here, India is here, and before India it is high pressure area, then Tibet is low pressure area. To this low pressure Tibet, the air moves from the high pressure area over India, then it will influence the climate of India. Next point is, or the next mechanism which influence the seasonal wind monsoon of India is the jet streams. Jet streams are the fastest moving air currents. Here there are two jet streams which influence the climatic condition of India or the monsoon, is that westerly jet stream and easterly jet stream. Anyway, these westerly jet streams and the easterly jet streams also influence very much about the formation of the Indian climate. Okay.